Hey, I'll know it by now. All right, here are the parts of the eye. There's three layers or tunics. The outer layer is the sclera, which is white in the back, becomes transparent in the front, and is called the cornea. So the transparent part in the front is the cornea. Inside the cornea is a fluid called the aqueous humor. We're going to pull off the cornea and get it out of the way. Anyway, the middle layer, which is pink in our model, is the choroid. And in front, the choroid forms a few structures. The most obvious is the iris, which is the colored part of the eye. And in the middle of the iris is an opening, a hole called the pupil, through which the light enters. In the back of the iris, there's actually a bulge called the ciliary body.
The speckled part, right?
Yeah, the speckled part, the ciliary body, which is actually muscles that attach to the lens. And the attachment points are called the suspensory ligaments, which are not shown. So the ciliary bodies, then you would have the suspensory ligaments attached to the lens, and it controls the shape of the lens. And I'll pull out the lens. Behind the lens, there's a fluid chamber, and this is the vitreous humor back here. Anyway, the third level, or third layer of the eye, the inside layer, is the retina, which is the yellow layer, and it exits the eye socket as the optic nerve. And coming through the optic nerve, right in the middle of the optic nerve, are artery and vein. The retinal artery is the red one, and the retinal vein is blue. And where the blood vessels enter the eye socket, there's a blind spot. So right there would be your blind spot. Above the blind spot on the retina is the fovea centralis, where we focus our vision. And it just is an indentation that's hard to see on your video, I'm pretty sure. Okay, and that's basically the parts of the retina. And then the muscles, again, turn this so the post is down, this post, and you have the superior rectus on the top. On the side, you have the lateral rectus, and on the bottom, you have the inferior rectus, and then crisscrossing on the top, going kind of at an angle, is the superior oblique. For extra credit, this muscle, the superior oblique, is controlled by the trochlear nerve. The lateral rectus is controlled by the abducens nerve, and all of the other eye muscles are controlled by the oculomotor nerve. So if you want the extra credit, you can tell me those. And that should do it. I think we got everything.
Okay, thanks.